Today we're taking a look at this 4-pack of Outside micrometers. This has been sent to me free of charge for this review. Just wanted to show you everything that is included in this kit. So the purpose of micrometers is to give you extremely precise measurements, and like I said, this does come in a 4-pack, and there's a variety of different micrometers that you can get based on what you're going to be measuring. So the sizes for these ones is going to be 0 to 1 inch, 1 to 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches, and 3 to 4 inches. So just to show you one of these out of the box, just to give you a closer look. So we have our frame here, then we do also have our anvil. The anvil is not going to move, however, the spindle here is going to move. And then as you see what I'm turning, this is going to be your thimble. We have our measurement sleeve here. Then we do also have a ratchet stop, then a lock right here as well. So while your item that you're measuring is inside here, you're going to be able to lock it to get those precise measurements. We do also have some other spindles if you need to use those as well. So we have a 1 inch, we have a 2 inch, we do also have a 3 inch. Then we do also have this tool here to make any adjustments or any tweaks that you may have. The last thing about this is it does come in a really nice carrying case. So while it's not in use, your micrometers are going to stay protected and everything is going to be in one place when you need to use it next. So if you're looking to get extremely precise measurements on whatever you may be measuring, I would highly recommend looking into these micrometers. They're durable, they're very good quality, and I don't think you're going to be disappointed with them if you decide to make your purchase.